In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete call history on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Snapchat. After that, tap right here at your profile picture or Bitmoji to head over to that page. Then tap at that gear to go to settings. And then just scroll down until under the privacy controls you will find clear data. That's where at the very top we can easily find clear conversations, and once we get into it, it will show us all our conversations that we have on a Snapchat. And in order to delete call history on a particular conversation here, all we have to do is just hit at the cross button next to it and then select clear. That's how you can easily, one by one, clear call history for a particular conversations, and that's basically how it can be easily done. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.